Hi everybody, it's 8:46 and 55 seconds on July 24th. A few minutes ago I tried to get this running, but I don't know what happened. Both the recorder and the clock down here froze, so I stopped it after about 20 seconds and just closed everything out to set it back up. I posted the short video of nothing working, just so you could see what the delay was these past few minutes. Alright, well, again, this is for the Thor 165. Over here on the left are the 13 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Big number 17. Name at the top of the list. At the end of the 17th roll, we'll get the book. I should be able to get it out in today's mail for you. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this is the final one. 17, spot 6, Matt Maring. Congratulations. The time is 8:48 and 15 seconds.